A man slumped in a parking lot. A woman who stops on a bridge. One shift, two suspects, the same decision.
Sir. Sir, can you hear me?
What's going on, man? Sheriff's office. What's going on? Why are you pouring sweat? Do what? Okay, well you're passed out, slumped over, and you're pouring sweat. What's your name? Do you know where you're at? Where are you at?
I don't know the name. Fiance, she's up in the room.
Okay.
208. She's up in the room. I just walked in here. She's supposed to be going to get the room extended.
Okay. Have you used any drugs today? Do you know I'm asking that?
Yes, sir.
Because of what they found you? Step out of the vehicle for us real quick, okay? No weapons on you? Lift up your shirt for me. What's this? Vape?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay. Lighter. Alright. So what's the deal? This isn't how normal people throughout the day sleep.
She got the keys in the room, okay? So I came down here and I went to the room and I tried to offer to pay. And they said that she needed her. So what the bear? She's in the room. I told her she needs to go there and pay. Came in here and sat in the room. She was supposed to get the keys and come there and pay.
Okay.
But she opened the room, I promise. 208.
Alright. What's your name?
AJ Apperson.
Who?
AJ Apperson.
AJ, is that your legal name? Tell it to him a little slower once he gets ready, please. I'm just concerned, okay?
Oh, yes, I'm just tired, man. Hey, man. I mean, you can ask her. I just came up there and tried to pay.
Okay,
I
but
promise.
why are you sweating so bad? Nobody's sweating.
I was in the car.
Yeah, but the window's down on the other side. I don't think it's that hot in there. You're pouring sweat. Look at your shirt. I'm not even going to search your vehicle. I just want to know what kind of drugs you're on.
I'm not on my drugs.
What's this right here?
Huh?
What's this? Come here. What is it? No, stop. Stop. Sheriff's office, 1031.
February 15th, a sheriff's unit responds to a hotel parking lot. Man slumped in a vehicle, midday windows down, pouring sweat. Officers positioned on the same side of the car before approaching. That is crossfire awareness. That detail matters. Adrian cannot say where he is. He does not know his own name. He says he is just tired. Officers ask once about drugs. He denies it. Then they watch him throw a straw with a pill inside. He tried to swallow it, on camera, with officers watching, and then said he was going to overdose. In Florida, possession of drug paraphernalia is a first-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. He handed them the evidence himself. When officers moved to arrest him, he ran, a foot chase in a hotel parking lot midday.
What kind of dope does he use? What kind of dope does he use? He's on something. So we pulled up here. He's pouring sweat, slumped over in the car. Do me a favor, hang out.
Well, I'm supposed to extend my room.
Well, you can go do whatever you want, but just don't be over here for right now, okay?
That's
Thank you.
You gotta sit down. What did you swallow? It's full of nothing.
I thought you just said you swallowed a pill.
No, I said the straw. And paraphernalia. That's it, bro.
So what was the straw being used for? And what was the paraphernalia?
I said a pill, bro.
Huh?
I'm pulling past it.
Alright, let me get some gloves.
Damn, man. I don't get to me. I don't want to.
Stay standing. Just put him up against the car and maybe you can lean on that. Well, you just made things a lot worse for yourself.
I know, man.
Because you're going to jail now.
Well, I have a bill.
We'll see, probably. Fuel.
I ain't running, man.
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing.
I don't believe you.
I promise you.
Here, watch this right. 10, 30, 55. Nothing in your groin? Because I thought I saw you stuffing something. Turns out I was right. When you get to jail, they ain't gonna find it. Nothing in you. Turn around.
Get more charges. You got something
Face the car.
Going to jail.
Can you pay my bill?
Bring your hands out.
Please. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
Spread your feet.
It's in the car. Or in the room. I don't know.
Alright. Alright, have a seat in the car for us. Have a seat in the car.
Please, Summer!
Bend your leg. Bend your leg.
Although this man tried running from
Adrian was charged with resisting arrest. He later entered a pre-diversion program and the charges were dropped. The same cannot be said for the second case. That one ended on a bridge. A DUI chase. The subject stops the car on a bridge. Officers approach. One instruction, do not resist. Her response was 4 words, and that answer cost her 2 years, 4 months, and 26 days.
And what if I do? Why are you pulling me over?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Thank you. Oh yeah.
There goes the rope. Fucking bite me.
Using 245, second and step work.
You're about to get tased. Get in there.
It's on Bodycam.
053, Cali.
Jocelyn.
What?
We're gonna switch cars, okay? Alright, you can cooperate?
Are you putting her behind you or on this side?
Go on this side so I can...
So behind you?
No.
This one?
Yeah, on the opposite side.
Stop. Can I jump over the edge?
Nope. Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, thank you.
We're not doing this.
7408 Franklin Street.
Sit your butt down. Oh, you can go that way, that's fine. Hold on. Unbuckle the seatbelt real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'd move those feet before they get slammed in the door. You want her pants? I'll put them back in her car. What do you need? Oh, Shelby Casey. Yeah. January 8th. Bodycam. Spilling in the passenger floorboard. Yeah. Okay.
Right now! I would just take her right now.
Yeah.
Jocelyn, what the fuck are you doing? Don't grab at him.
Fuck you.
You can hit her with bat on me too.
Do what?
You can hit her with bat on me too.
Okay,
So
she
hit
kick
her-
you?
Yeah, she kicked me like 3 times.
Gotcha.
Purposefully. After
Yeah.
I told her not to, she looked me dead in the eye and went,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
you got that one on there.
Good deal. Thank you.
Yeah.
She was pulled from the vehicle. She fought. She was taken to the ground. Then she got up and fought again. Officers attempted to place her in the patrol car. She kicked 3 times, looking the officer dead in the eye each time. Under Florida Statute 843.01, the moment a subject uses physical force against a law enforcement officer, the charge upgrades to a 3rd-degree felony. She was charged with refusal to submit to DU. I testing refusing the lawful breath, blood, or urine test after a DU. I stop. That is its own conviction. She was also charged with resisting an officer with violence, not pulling away, force, striking, kicking, a felony under Florida law. The prosecutor chose not to pursue the 3 battery counts. On the 2 remaining charges, she was convicted, adjudicated guilty on both. DUI Test Refusal, 2 months and 15 days county jail. Resisting with violence, 2 years. 4 months, 26 days state prison. Sentences run concurrently.
The man in the green Challenger who ran from officers was charged with resisting arrest and was able to get the charges dropped as a result of a pre-diversion program. But the same can't be said for the 40-year-old woman who resisted, kicked, bit, and fought officers, forcing them to take her to the ground twice. And a quick spoiler, she didn't get a slap on the wrist. As a result of her actions, she was charged with refusal to submit DUI testing, which means she refused to take a lawful breath, blood, or urine test after being suspected of DUI. DUI. She was also charged with resisting an officer with violence, where she physically resisted law enforcement, not just pulling away, but actually involving force like pushing or striking. For her last charge, she received 3 counts of battery on a specified personnel, where she physically struck and made unlawful contact with protected personnel like police officers. The prosecutor chose to take no action on the battery on the specified personnel, so she wasn't charged on these 3 counts, but on refusal to submit DUI testing and resisting an officer with violence, she was convicted and adjudicated guilty on these 2 charges. The resisting an officer with violence, unlike without violence, is actually a serious felony, and if you're wondering if she received any probation or jail sentencing for the lesser charge, refusal to submit DUI testing, being adjudicated guilty, she was sentenced to 2 months and 15 days inside county jail. And even worse, on the resisting an officer with violence, as a result of being adjudicated guilty, she was sentenced to 2 years, 4 months, and 26 days inside of state prison. Both of these run concurrently, so as a result of her actions that day, she received 2 years, 4 months, and 26 days inside.
The officers get an A. They faced a subject who invited violence by name and responded with measured proportional force every step of the way. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged on what officers knew in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Jocelyn gets an F. She was told once. She asked what would happen if she refused. The Bodycam answered for her. Florida law does not negotiate with that question. 2 years, 4 months, 26 days. She found out. If you want more Bodycam footage, the moment suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Was the diversion program the right call for Adrian? We'll see you in the next one.